First, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Brow Artist Plumper to lighten up my brows a little. Next, I'm taking the LOV, the Contourist palette, and I'm putting some bronzer on my cheeks and just over my jawline to unsharp it. I'll continue using the same palette and the same bronzer, and I'm brushing off the sides of my nose. I'm also putting some bronzer on the root of my nose. And lastly, I'm putting some bronzer at the end of my nose to make it look smaller. Next, I'm taking the color Fierce of my new Dude palette and I'm putting it on my lid. Next, I'm grabbing the color Selfish of my new Tude palette and I'm gonna try to blend out my darker color. I'm taking the color Fierce again and I'm going to blend that out on my lower lash line. If you want, you can also put some on your waterline. I'm going to use some eyeliner just to make my eye look kinda darker, but I'm not going to create a wing. I'll finish my eyes by using some fake lashes that look natural and some mascara. I'm also going to create a file trim line, I think it's called, with the same bronzer. For my lips, I'm using a really light nude lip liner and I'm going to put it all over my lips. I'll put the Manhattan Cream Nude on top. And last, I'll use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Hollywood lipstick to make the tone appear warm. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.